Dear students, welcome to our sixth video of this series. In this video, we'll see how to find HCF, highest common factor of the two numbers, which is also known as the GCD. And as we know that HCF is the number which divides both the numbers for whom we are finding the HCF. So let's see how we can find it through programming.
Write a program to find HCF of two numbers. We'll take two numbers. Let it be x is equal to 4 and y is equal to, say, it is 6. So we'll find the HCF of 4 and 6. So HCF, let let us there we assume that HCF is equal to 1, because HCF of any two number, at least it will be 1. Now we'll have to find the smallest of the two. So if let's use the ternary operator, s is equal to x if x is less than y, else it will be y. Here we can directly take 4 and 6, but these 4 and 6, they are to be input by the user. So in place of this 4 and 6, we can write it input also. Int input enter first number. Similarly for y also. Second number. So here user will input the two numbers, and out of that we will find the smallest. Now for I in range 1 to s, because the HCF will be between 1 and s. Now we'll have to check whether for which I both the numbers will be divisible. If x mod equals to 0 and y mod I double equals to 0, then we'll store that I as HCF. So in this way, it will go for the all the numbers from 1 to s, and finally whatever the h it will have, that will be the HCF. So we'll print now. Now let's run it. Enter first number. So let the number first it be 4 It is asking for the second number. Next number would be 6. So 2 is the HCF. Now let's execute once more. Enter the first number. Let the number be 10. And second number, let it be 18. So here also it will be 2. Let's try for another one. Say number it is be 9. First number be 9. And second number, let it be 36. So HCF should be 9. Sorry, this is not giving. It will be S plus 1. Sorry. That's why it is giving wrong answer. S plus 1. Because if we are writing it up to S, the S will not be included. Now let's try it again. So first number is 4. Second number it be 8. So it is 4. Now once more, let the number be 9. Second number be 36. 36. It will be 9. So now it is giving the right answer.